Hello everybody, my name is Sylvia. I'm here to introduce CodeChimp, a project management platform for collaboration and vibe coding. So in short, CodeChimps let you vibe code your way from ideation to production. The problem we are seeing today is vibe coding feels like a single player game. AI coding tools are fast but fragmented, context drifts, session dies, and there's little transparency and a lack of interface for human AI collaboration. And our vision is to create a multiplayer experience where humans and agents can collaborate seamlessly, enabling vibe coding at scale across teams and departments for the full development lifecycle. Here we provide CodeChimp, which is a Git native, agent native, spec-driven project management platform designed for vibe coding at scale. So let's break that down. What makes CodeChimps unique? We start with AI native project management, which provides an interactive Kanban board and workflow orchestration showing specs to epic to issue, then commits. We have a budget-driven planning, which provides users a way to orchestrate the vibe coding workflow and optimize prompts based on their budget. We have the GraphRAG plus NLWeb and Weaviate integration, which means for CodeChimp, there's no legacy code base. No legacy code base is too big. Graph-based context layer with semantic retrieval and a conversational interface to instantly find, cite, and act on the right info. We have the safe parallel execution, so per task work trees plus conflict prediction means fewer collision as well as smoother merges. And lastly, it has GitHub native traceability, so issues and PRs are the database. Your project workflow mirrors reality into your repo. So right now I'm going to show you guys a demo. Alrighty, here. So as you can see that this is the CodeChimp landing page. This is actually the CodeChimp landing page. It's a dashboard, has different metrics about how many projects you have, total sessions, your usage, as well as your tokens. Clicking this goes into a project. This is a project called Biblio, which is a project I was working yesterday during the hackathon. This page is also a dashboard for users to have a better visualization for their active product requirement documents. Epics is and then just to kick off this entire process, all you need to do is go to this requirement page, then click new PRD. Just input a feature name you want, whatever vibe coding tool you want, like either Cloud Code, GitHub Copilot, Cursor you want it to help you to implement, setting up the budget, saying 5K, 25K, as well as automation mode. It's either pair mode, which means you work alongside AI in real time, either handoff mode, you define then delegate to AI agents, or swarm mode, which means multi-agent collaboration. We also provide you with two types of creation, which either you can chat with Cloud to help you create this PRD, or you can upload an existing document for this product requirement documents. Let's go back to this GraphRAG integration feature I was trying to add yesterday. Clicking this shows you a detailed version of the PRD file. It's a markdown file. We can scroll down a little bit. You can see it's very well written. It's all generated by a large language model. Then going back to this page, all you need to do is to click this parse to epic. It will help you to parse this requirement document into epics. Here's a detailed overview of the epic. Let's take a look, like front-end, back-end infrastructure, different phases, task, business goals. Planning tab, we have dependencies, which includes sequential task, parallel task, resource, timeline, risk assessment. Operations are some shortcuts, and as well as analytics. Clicking this button redirects to the task detail pages. You can see we have already 12 task breakdown here. It's a Kanban board view for better visualization. We also have list, dependencies. You can see it's break the task into different levels, 0 to 8, and as well as a drag and drop orchestration canvas. Let's take a look at this task. This task is already completed. It gives you a full analysis saying that this task is break down into 4 different subtasks, A, B, C, D. Have details here, what the agents have completed, some report here as well, and IDE too, for you to take a look at the code. All right.
Everyone, give it up.
Thank you.
much more around having this type of interface than having like the IDE.
Mm-hmm.
And you're sort of using the sidebar. And what's the next step? And I feel like this is really, really it. So it's not really a question, but just like nice job, really, really
Thank
smart.
you so much. So regarding next steps, so currently our cloud code integration is like the most native. We're definitely planning to integrate like more AI toolings like Codex, GitHub, Copilot, etc. As well as we're thinking about having more native integration with GitHub as well. So currently you can, I forgot to show this, but we have this button here. You click this, it will redirect you to the GitHub. This is one directional, but what we are trying to do is to make this more native, so it's a bi-directional thing from GitHub to our CodeChimp as well.
Yep.
Thank you.
Everyone, we're going to take one more question from Jack. Yep.
I was just saying, great presentation. Just out of curiosity, from your point of view, what would be the smallest team that this would be a value?
So I think it will apply to one person to a team. So we're definitely going to scale it in the future, but I think right now it's for our team internal use. Mm-hmm. We are a startup, by the way, so it's for our internal use, and I think we have 10 people, and each of us are using it. It's like definitely giving us a better way to manage the projects as well. Like just given our daily tasks, we're all coders, just using this, which is definitely much of an efficiency booster. So if you are one person, just think yourself as a CTO. Like all the code, just put whatever you want, requirement, put it into CodeChimp, it will generate the code for you. And for team to collaborate, you can either collaborate through GitHub, or we have the IDE interface for you, so you can actually see the code as well.
All right, we'll give it up for Sylvia.
Thank you.